this, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go, no need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go, no stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go, let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
Welcome back to another video. You guys can't really see me. Welcome back. It is day 3 of all this home renovation improvement shenanigans. And we're 95% done, right? We're like almost super duper close to being done.
Bam, copyright.
Bert is done putting up the sheetrock. He's just putting like the what did you say it was called? Forrándola? Enjarándola. Say it. How do you say it?
Enjarrando.
That's what he's doing right now. But the lights work and everything. Guys, we want to do a video. I want to do the video where you talk 24 hours in Spanish. Like in the video.
You're not gonna do a 24-hour video.
You cannot. I can try. You can try.
Se te va a acabar la coin in the first sentence.
Probably. Let me know if you guys want us to do that. We can try to do it.
Oh my.
Bert and my sister could definitely do it. My Spanish kind of sucks, but
Kinda?
sort of. But right now we're gonna go into town. Baby girl is actually with my sister-in-law Jenny. She left like half an hour ago, and right now we're going to the dollar store because I'm gonna go buy a Swiffer. Because on the floor, like you guys know what kind of floors I have, there's a bunch of like mugrita on it because of the sheetrock, and I can't pick it up with the broom or like the vacuum, and I cannot mop my floors because of the flooring that I have. So I have to use a microfiber one, so I'm just gonna go buy a Swiffer because I have, oh look, they finally patched up the holes. You have to spray it, and then like with the microfiber Swiffer thingy you like wipe it down. But I mean the Swiffer's basically the same thing, but except I don't have to spray it. I just fill the little liquid inside the bottle or whatever. So I'm gonna go buy that at the dollar store, and then Bert ordered some tacos so he can have dinner. I'm going to eat some chicken that we have left over from lunch. My sister's gonna eat pizza from last night.
From this morning though?
Last night. And then I'll show you guys as soon as we get home what everything looks like. But it's already 6:30 in the evening. I'm getting a big old pimple right here, which sucks. It is still super bumpy here. Dude, these streets suck. But I'll show you guys everything here in a second. Damn.
No puedes comer primero.
Huh? Eat. So, we're back. Why? Well, y'all can eat your food. And then I got some Swiffer Wet Jet floor cleaner on, this is the Game Scent. I got these two. And then I got a Swiffer Wet Jet that I'm gonna open. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my floors. This is what I'm talking about. All that there. That is what Bert's doing right now. Enjarrando.
This is probably not how it is done.
But whatever, that's the way he's doing it. And then, I'm not going to show you guys the lights just yet, even though you guys can sort of see them. But this is what my living room looks like right now. I sort of semi-cleaned it. The sofa is still a little bit messy. All of that over there is all the pictures that I had on this wall. Those are the curtains that I took down that I have to fold and put away. I already put up the little mirror. I'm debating on whether or not to bring that white thing that I used to have here and put it here, because I'm going to switch things around. I'm going to put this sign that I used to have up there on this wall, so it's gonna go right here, and then I'm gonna put 3 8x10 pictures of us under it. Since it is a pretty big piece, I want it to be like, you know, a bit like a main, kind of like the main wall, but not really, because over here I'm gonna put the little gallery wall that I had over there. I'm gonna put most of the pictures there. Since I'm taking 3 of those away and putting them on this wall, I'm gonna have 3 less here, but I'll see what I do about that. So I'm gonna put those pictures there. We're gonna go find something for there tomorrow, and then over here I'm gonna hang up our wedding pictures, and then the mirror that I had here, I'm gonna put it in the hallway. So I'm gonna start doing that. I'm just gonna hang stuff, so I don't know if you want to see it or not, but this is what the kitchen looks like with the lights turned on and stuff. It is super messy, so kind of kills it. But the lights are perfect. Bert did such a good job. And right now he's just covering that crack that had been there forever. It was so annoying. And then it took him a year. Yeah, it was a really long time. So finally he's getting to it. He's almost done. And then tomorrow we're gonna have to leave that to dry overnight. We also have to buy new vents. We're gonna leave that to dry overnight, and then tomorrow we'll paint it white once it's done. So I'm probably gonna paint that gray. And then he covered this for me too, so I have to paint this gray, and that over there the cabinet color gray, because they're 2 different grays. So that looks a lot better too, and I just love it. I can't wait to show you guys like once everything's done and put away, and I don't know, it's just so different. And then the table is super messy, but it just like blends in now, so it just looks so pretty, and I'm so excited. But these lights, when I was showing you guys the stuff that I got from the dollar store, like these lights are gonna be perfect for selfies. So I'm gonna hang this frame. I'll probably call my sister to come help me like put it right in the middle. This looks so gross, but I think I'm gonna hang my wedding pictures first, just because those aren't so hard. much. That's drying. We have the fan on to dry that, and then this is what this wall looks like. Just has all of our wedding pictures on it, and then on top that little sign, I got it from Walmart. It's like a Valentine's Day collection, like where the Valentine's Day stuff is, and it says a house is made of walls and beams, a home is made of love and dreams. And I thought that was perfect to put right above our wedding picture. And then that says thankful and blessed. You guys saw that. Over here I just put start each day with a grateful heart, because there is a hole behind that thing where the doorbell used to be, but we obviously don't have a doorbell anymore. It's on the alarm. And then I just put that one. I'm gonna try to find something to fill in that spot a little bit better. And I did raise the, I did unbutton my pants, but I did raise up the mirror, so looks like that. She got a yogurt. Woohoo! And then over here I just put her little table there so she could do like activities and stuff. I want to put like her papers, crayons, and things like that in this shelf. And she's watching Boss Baby. And then up here I put welcome to our nest. And then I'm going to put, I have to update these pictures, but I just have the ones where she turned 1. So I might take these pictures out, print some new ones tomorrow that are like more recent pictures of us, and put them there. I don't know if I should add another row of pictures like of our family, or like just pictures of Grecia. I don't know yet, but I might add another row. You got it. I might add another row of pictures right there. Let me know what you guys think. But I think that would look like, I think that would fill in that area. Bye. And then over here, I told you guys this is where I wanted to do like the little gallery art wall thing. I put these two up. These two pieces are, let me see, that one is from, where's that one from? I know that one's from Dollar General, and it looks like wood, but it's not. It's like a canvas. This one, I don't remember where it's from, but I know the letters were creamy, and I just asked my sister-in-law to paint them white for me. So they kind of match, and the reason I put these here was so that they'll match the seat covers, which is pretty awesome. I'm pretty smart for doing that. So those are gonna stay there. And then I have a couple more that I'm gonna put on this corner that I've always had, or I don't know if I'm even gonna like put them, but what? Daddy's doing something. I don't know what he's doing. But that's what the house looks like so far. I'm just gonna stand here all the time now because this lighting is bomb. It's already 10:18, and I am so glad that you guys liked what we did so far. I cannot wait to put up the blinds. It's just gonna make it look so much better. Like, I'm not gonna be freaking out that someone's looking inside anymore. But we're all pretty tired. Bert's thumb hurts because of the joint compound or whatever that stuff is. It doesn't hurt no more? Oh, well, my thumb hurts for him. Tomorrow we are going to be painting this stuff, so just stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.